Hello guys, what's up? Max here. So I wanted to quickly share a review on TidyCal, a calendar booking software that allows you share link for your schedule, show your calendar, and let anyone book call with you, book a session with you, book a meeting with you, seeing when you're available and picking their preferred schedule. Okay, so think about Calendly, but with a lifetime deal of 29 and with a pretty intuitive, pretty clear interface, intuitive booking, intuitive setup. So let me quickly show you how it looks like inside. So I bought a lifetime deal. I use it for already 2 weeks. I noticed a few minor disadvantages, and in general, it works fine for me. So before that, I was using Calendly. It worked pretty fine for me, but I understand that $10 per month, if you have such a lifetime deal as TidyCal, is pretty like a not fair advantage in terms of for TidyCal. So that's for sure much better, and it works it's much simpler in terms of setup and in terms of the interface. So here you can see the first tab is booking types, where you can create a new one. If you go to create a new one, create new booking type, you are asked to provide title, provide the URL that will be used, description, which has a rich editor here, so you can select different fonts and stuff like this. Also, you can do group bookings where you can have multiple people per time slot. Also, you have the duration of your meetings, the meeting padding, so the gap between meetings. Also, what's the number of days ahead that users can book, and also the gap that one user can book ahead of, so no earlier than this time. So pretty basic schedule, but still it's clear for me what is required from me. Then you can have the days that you want to have your schedule for, and also an option to have some questions, to mark it as required or not, to delete it, to have the answer, so it's like a small quiz type. Also, confirmation redirect if you want to redirect a person where you want to after the booking is done. Charging, which is also interesting. I've not tried it, but I'm curious if you guys have tried it. Please let me know. You need to integrate it with your PayPal account. And also private scene, that means it won't be used on your booking page. For booking page, here is how it looks like. I will show you right now. So this is the basic setup here. You can add windows if you want to do multiple here. I forgot to mention. Okay, so that's pretty it. Now let's go to check booking page. So if I can just go here, copy link, or I can open it here. So this is my booking page. Here you can see the number of bookings that I have. So here I have call. You may ask why I have such a short name here. So the first inconvenient thing that I noticed in TidyCal is that once you have a booking, so I'm not sure if it's clear there. So if I book with someone, you see I have invitation, call name, and the name of the person. So when I have I usually check notifications on mobile on my email, and when I get a mobile in the how you call this one, in your curtain, okay, like this one, then this means that you don't see the name of the person. So you have invitation. Let's say if you have a 30-minute call here, then you don't see the name of the person, and I want to see it right in my curtain, the one that drops in my Android. So then I want to see the name of the person. That's why I made it shorter. Then it has ability to include it. Okay, so here is my page. I can have multiple booking types here, so I can clone them, and then it will appear here. It looks pretty clear, pretty nice. So a person goes to book now. Then you can provide this link for this particular bookings here. So it's also pretty nice. It's customizable. A person can go to your link, and then they can see your schedule. Okay, so they can book a slot that they want. Then they provide their name, their email, and book you in, and get confirmation, which you need to request. You need to confirm. You have this invitation that comes for that person and for you, and you need to confirm that yes, I am going to attend that meeting. So hope it's clear, guys. Besides that, what I liked, I used this feature already, is that you can select the time zone, which is also pretty convenient if you have to work with someone from another time zone. Okay, let's check what else here we can see. So bookings is something that I don't have any bookings now, so it shows you them. Let me do the quick test booking to show you guys. test.com, book event. Okay, so booking confirmed. Here the meet link is provided, so it's pretty cool. Like you have time zone specified, so it's pretty like you can add like a guest can also add it to some software, can reschedule, cancel, and in my bookings page I can see the super. I have this example to show you guys. So let me quickly show you. Okay, this is what I meant. You see test with test. So I would like to have it like Calendly has it instead of TidyCal. It says like new meeting and stuff like that. But here you need to like double check it. Okay, it's not so convenient, but still I managed to make it work for me. And then once you go to bookings, you can see this. Yeah, that's where we are. So you can see the name of the person, the booking type, duration, and so on. Like details can be also seen. Okay. Integrations. Let's check what integrations have. So here you can synchronize multiple accounts. So I have two. I have my work email and my personal email. You can also connect more emails here, so you can make them some of them primary. So okay. What else? Yes, that's integration. Besides that, you can add Office 365 and Apple account. Like 3 types of integration. So I'm not sure, guys, if you are okay with that. So please let me know in comments, because for me it's fine. I use only Google accounts here, 2 of them, so it's totally fine for me. And profile. Finally, profile. So here you can customize your booking page URL, change profile picture, name, time zone, dollars. So something really basic, and booking page theme. So in booking page, you have like I have a black one, the default one. It's fine with me. You can change it to something that you want. I will quickly show you once again. So that's pretty it, guys. It's all of this like it costs $29. For me, it's like since it gives you a way to integrate like multiple integrations at the same time. For me, it works amazing. So I can add more if I want. And for me it works amazing. If you guys have any questions or if you have any comments about this software, please let me know in comments. I'll be glad to check them. And looking forward to making more videos like this about the software that I use and the software that hopefully will be useful for you as well. For me, I would say that this software is completely worth its value. Thank you very much for your attention. Please subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye bye.